My name is Mr Chokhawala, one of the founder of Adorn Decor Pvt Limited. Adorn Decor Pvt Limited was started in 1996. We have been credited for many firsts in the industry. We have partnered with Somfy since last 15 years to integrate automation in our product line.
Hi, this is Mr Chokhawala, Director of Adorn Decor. AD offer various type of window blinds, roller blinds, zebra, wooden blinds, cellular blinds, smart curtains, and yes, skylight blinds too.
After receiving an order in our backend, we process the order and send it to our production unit. There we gather all required material, bring it to the assembly point. The machines what we are using which ensure that the fabric is being cut in a perfect 90-degree angle so we can achieve the best quality of the blind.
So AD is completely committed towards the minimum wastage, and through our ERP system we have achieved to precision of knowing our inventory level. With this, we minimize our wastage and maximize utilization of our raw material.
In market, Honeycomb being sold with the two motors. We have tested recently this product with the Somfy Sonis category of motors, where we are using only single motor to run these blinds. The Somfy motors are quite robust and not much maintenance is required. Somfy has a very nice setup for the after-sales service. Somfy recently launched a home automation system hub called Tahoma, which is easy to install in your premises. You can operate your existing motors or equipments through app or through voice command.
For new age customers, automation is not only luxury, now it is becoming need.
We are very innovative in the industry, and Somfy is a world leader in its field for the automations. It has a quite extensive range which can be easily integrated in our products. So it is a sort of a natural association.